Take a good look at this brand new family-friendly 2-story home featuring 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with 2-car garage. Over 2,400 square feet of living space, this spacious home offers an open-concept floor plan with modern kitchen equipped with quartz countertops, an island with barstool seating, stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and plenty cabinet space. The kitchen opens up to a huge great room for family gatherings, and dining areas include sliding glass doors that lead to the back patio. A guest bedroom and a full bathroom are conveniently located on the first floor. As you walk to the second floor, you will land in the loft that could be a nice office area. The master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom featuring dual sinks and a walk-in shower. You will also find a spacious laundry room, a bathroom, and 3 good-sized bedrooms. Residents can enjoy access to amenities including 3 resort-style